Hello everybody. I'm gonna cook some breakfast today. Got my helper here, so if you hear toenails while I'm cooking, this is the toenail bandit. His name is Buddy. My name is David, for those of you that don't know. So anyway, we're gonna cook a little something from the South. A little Cajun food. Come here, buddy. Come here. All right. He's a good dog. He's so well house trained, he won't even poop in the yard. We have to take him for a walk at the park. And he doesn't bark. I don't know why. I have a basset hound that doesn't bark, but he doesn't bark. Anyway, let's go ahead and cook some breakfast. Hey, today it's the first day of my vacation, and I'm gonna cook a little bit of breakfast for my wife and myself. And I'm gonna do something different. I don't know, maybe different for some of you. I've got some Zummo's Boudin, and if you've never had this before, it's a kind of a sausage of sorts. It's a kind of like almost a rice dressing, and it's in a casing, and you can either just heat it up and get some of the noise out of here. You can either just heat this up and eat it, or I'm gonna put it in a skillet and put a few eggs with it and scramble it. And I like it that way. I like it both ways, but this is the way I'm gonna do it today. So at this point, all I'm gonna do is just cut the skin, pull it off, drop them in the skillet. I'm going to drop just a little dab of coconut oil in there. Just about that much. Not necessary, but I like it. And then I'll chop this into a little bit smaller pieces. Now, you can just, when you put this in the microwave, it softens it up. And it'll basically be just like it was before it was refrigerated, and you can see the rice and stuff in it as I chop it up here. You don't so much see the rice in it. You can just throw this in the microwave instead of chopping it up this way. Throw it in the microwave, and once it comes out of the microwave, put it in the skillet. But I find it easier to get the skin off of it this way. And I'm normally would do 4 links and 4 eggs, but I only had 3, so that's what we're going to do today. It's my coffee. None of this stuff's sponsored, so you don't have to worry about that. And this is an induction cooktop. I don't know if you've ever used one of these. I really like it. I think I'm gonna put a couple more eggs in there. So we will have 6 eggs today. And I don't add any seasoning to this. The Boudin has plenty of seasoning in it. And you could, if you so choose, add a few things, but I don't find it necessary. So I just keep it moving until I decide that I like how much it's dried out. I tend to like the eggs well done. The boudin is already cooked, so you don't need to worry about how long you cook that part of it. And I'm starting to be pretty happy with that. So I'll turn the cooktop off. And you can have a little toast with this, or some biscuits, or whatever you want, or it's pretty filling just like it is. Hey, my wife had a really good idea. So what we're gonna do today, I forgot we have these tortilla shells. Make a little burrito, throw a little Monterey Jack cheese on it, Colby and Monterey Jack, and that's just the way we're gonna have it today. You can put some salsa on it and whatever else you want. So I'll give it a quick taste. Gosh darn, that sure is good, chef. Now, I don't know what that means. I used to hear people say that in Louisiana a lot. So if that was a bad thing, rewind it, and when you play it back, pretend like you didn't hear it, or put your fingers in your ears. So anyway, that's it. So I get this stuff at Walmart. My Walmart has it, yours may not. So this is pretty good stuff. Standalone or done like this. Everybody have a great day. Appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you down the road.